My name is nselvam. I released an ebook in December 2020, Data Visualization with Tableau for Beginners, 2nd edition. I'll do a presentation on one topic in my book, how to build a candlestick chart for the stock market using Tableau. Now what you need, the data set for the stock you want to analyze, for example, CIMB shares. The data set must contain the date, open, high, low, close, and volume. Stock charts are also known as candlestick chart. It is used to display stock prices plotted over any time frame or period that you define. Candlestick charts are used by traders to determine possible price movement based on past patterns. This chart is frequently used by stockbrokers and market investors to identify current trends, trend reversal, and to trigger buy and sell signals. Candlesticks are useful when trading as they show 4 price points: open, close, high, and low throughout the period of time the trader specifies, example hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Do a search on candlestick in YouTube. There's so much you can learn. I will now show you how to build a candlestick chart using Tableau. Click on File, Open, and open the dataset called CIMB shares. So what happened, right? You will see date, open, high, low, close, and volume, the same fields that we saw in Microsoft Excel. Click on sheet number 1. This is where we will do the visualization. Now, drag date to columns. Right click on date, select exact date. Next, right click on date one more time, select discrete, and finally we're going to format the date. Right click on the date, select format, go to the header. In date you drop down, in custom you'll type in DD, so it gets formatted as date and month. Next, in measures you drag high to the rows, and you also drag open to the rows. Next, you right click on the sum open and select dual axis. Dual axis allows you to compare multiple measures on a different scale. Next, right click on open in the view and select synchronize axis. Next, in the view, right, to remove the blank spaces, right click on high, select edit axis, and uncheck include 0. Okay, this will adjust the axis according to the figures in the data set. Next, in marks, select all, drop down on automatic, and select gun bar. Then drag or remove measure names. Now we're going to create 2 calculated fields to get the candlestick chart. So go to analysis, create calculated field. The first calculated field that you must create is called high, low. So what you need to do, right? Drag low into the editor, formula editor. Next, drag high into the formula editor and put a minus sign in between to set the sum, it's low minus high. Make sure you see the word the calculation is valid. Click on OK. Create one more calculated field. Go to analysis, create calculated field, and this calculated field is called open close, where drag close into the editor, drag open into the editor, and put a minus sign in between. Calculation valid, click OK. Now, high low will show you, right, the fluctuation of the stock value from high to low, and open close, right, will show the rise and fall in stock prices for the time frame in question. Now in marks, select sum high, and for the color, select dark gray. Next, in measures, drag high low to size in marks and set the size to the minimum, so that, or rather to the smallest, so that it makes the gun bar look like a vertical line. In marks, select sum open, drag open close to color and open close to size in marks. Next, in marks, select sum open, click on color, edit color, drop down on automatic and select red, green, diverging, and for the step colors, select 2, click on apply, next click on advanced and center, click on center and make sure the center is 0, click on OK. Right, when the stock closes higher than open, the bar will appear as green, and when the stock closes at lower price, the bar will appear as red. Now let's do some additional formatting, right, to make the chart stand out. So in the toolbar, we will select entire view. Next, right click on open, uncheck the header, and right click on hide in the view, select edit axis, and let's remove the text high, we don't need that. Next, right click on the view, select edit axis, and what we do, right, we will go to tick marks and we'll set it to 0.03 so that it becomes nearer or becomes closer. Right, next we will now drag low to detail in marks and close to detail in marks, so that when you hover the cursor over the bars, right, you can see the measure values. Next, we'll drag the open close from the right hand and just move it right below the mark so that you get a bigger view, and we'll edit sheet 1 and we'll call it Candlestick. Let's remove the sheet name, Candlestick, and CIMB shares. Now this is your final output, right, showing you how to build the candlestick using Tableau. I hope you found this presentation be useful. Thank you very much.